Year 2020 sucks. Anything can happen at any time. Year 2020 sucks. Isn't that what we all think? That's what I thought for the first 2 months of this lockdown. I mean, no one told us life was gonna be this way. Alright, on a serious note, after receiving continuous work and suddenly facing this uncertainty and lockdown and not knowing when everything will restart, it really shook me and eventually it got really hard.
That's what she said.
Sorry. Through these few months of lockdown, I learned a lot of things and I thought I should share some of them with you.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
While also I get to learn how to shoot better and edit videos better. So I made a list of 5 things that if you do now, it will help you after the lockdown. Number 1, bringing change. So like EQ and IQ, intelligent quotient and emotional quotient, there is something called AQ, which stands for adaptability quotient. So what AQ tells basically is how quickly a person can adapt to changes and their ability to pick up their life at any point. Do not laze around right now, because if you do that and if you get too comfortable right now, it will be very challenging and difficult for you when things get back to normal. Try reading more books, try fixing your sleep schedule, and try working out more often. Try building your ability to withstand things like pandemics, epidemics, lockdown, and even World War, because 2020 taught me that anything can happen at any time. Number 2, start your side hustle. Remember telling your friend that I wish I had time यार, मतलब मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, कब स्टार्ट करूँ. My friend, I have a news for you. The time has arrived. Start working on your side hustle right now, because there is no better time and you won't get such time again in your life. Do your research right now. Work on the basics right now, because when everything restarts, it will be very beneficial for you and you'll have your base, the foundation ready to take further actions. Number 3, fixing relationships. Reach out to people that you haven't been able to get in touch with for a really long time. Apologize to the ones who you feel the need to apologize, because trust me, we all are going through the same things daily. It's just the different degrees of those things, but we all are going through the same thing. Reaching out to people and building a healthy relationship right now will benefit you in so many ways, in current situation as well as after the lockdown. Number 4, building empathy. With my experience, empathy is definitely something that can be taught and that can be built in oneself. And in current situation, I think kindness is something that the world needs a lot. I mean, we're daily coming across so many people who need help, be it financial, be it emotional. I think this is the right time to build empathy in oneself and try helping more people, because helping people will never be something that you regret. And number 5, invest in yourself. This lockdown has opened my eyes to a lot of knowledge that is available on the internet. There are a lot of institutes who are providing online courses which are very cheap and even free, such as Oxford and Udemy. They have a lot of courses based on science, environmental studies. Plus, there are free online classes on dance, singing, karate, etc. You could start one of these things. Now, when I say invest in yourself, I don't just mean doing extraordinary things. Working on yourself includes re-evaluating your mental health, and this is a really good time to do so. So, if you have buried some problems in your life, it is a right time to find solution for these problems. There are various accounts that I know who provide free counseling. One of which is We Are Here, and I know it personally. It is run by one of my friends, so it's really safe place to vent out. If you wish to do so, you can definitely check that page out. I'll leave the link in the description. Make self-development your priority in this lockdown and be kind. See you next time. Bye bye.
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह